So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruven. In this video I will show you how to find liked post on Instagrams in iPhone and Android. Lot of Instagram users to say how to see liked post on Instagrams, but still sometimes lot of users to say these options not showing on my iPhone and Android. So guys, what to do? I suggest you latest versions to update your Instagram applications, then again check back to these options available on your iPhone and iPad. So see the you have a liked a post on your Instagrams, the process will be same for the Android and iPhone user. Now first step is strong Wi-Fi to and also mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices and open your Instagrams. Now go and tap on the right hand side bottom profile section. In profile sections you can see also right hand side corner 3 dots. Now simply tap on that. Now first option is settings. Now simply tap on that. In settings sections find out the account options and simply tap on that. In account sections now again scroll down after you can see also posters you have a liked. And here you would be able to see all the posters that you have already liked in Instagrams. So guys, this way too you can easily find the already liked posted on Instagrams on your iPhone and Android. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Thank you so much.